Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can assign the full keyboard access shortcut to the action button on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, go down and tap on Action button. Next, in here, swipe across until you can find Accessibility. Then tap on the drop-down list. From the list here, scroll down and then select Full Keyboard Access in the Motor section. And that's it. Now you have assigned a shortcut to the Action button. You can simply press and hold on the button here to turn on or turn off the full keyboard access. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.